Now, Fox 61 Weather Impact with meteorologist Sam Sampieri.
Good Saturday afternoon, everyone. I'm meteorologist Sam Sampieri in the Fox 61 Weather Center. We're on a weather impact alert to watch for some severe thunderstorms, quite severe out to the west. So we already have a severe thunderstorm watch now in upstate New York, Pennsylvania, right up towards the Hudson Valley, but not quite that far. More importantly, there's a tornado watch for areas in New Jersey, eastern Pennsylvania, and down the Jersey coastline. However, that does not necessarily mean that we're out of the woods yet. So the scattered severe storms now until at least 9 o'clock. The watch is till 9, both watches. And again, we're talking about here in Connecticut where we can still get strong damaging winds, heavy rain, flash flooding. There is still the slight chance for an isolated spin-up tornado. It's more about the turbulence in the atmosphere. We have a strong southerly wind, and meanwhile, we have a cold front coming down. Now, we've had some rain move in with the warm front. We've had quite a bit of rain moving through. And now what's going on is we have the new batch of strong storms starting to develop to the north and west. So the warm front through, and now we're going to be watching for the cold front already. We've seen several severe thunderstorm warnings coming out of the Great Lakes and into upstate New York here. And you could see several warnings going on right now. As far as anything here in Connecticut, again, most of the heavy rain now is off to the south and east. And there has been quite a bit of flooding down here across New York City. They've been getting training effect of heavy rain and thunderstorms and flash flooding as well. Here's that severe thunderstorm warning I'm talking about. Going until the next 5:15 or so. Wind speed 60 miles per hour, even some hail involved. So that's why there's a severe thunderstorm warning. You have the gusty winds, and yeah, just going back out a little bit more, there's some more storms coming out of the Great Lakes. That happens a lot when you have a strong front and coming in with some cool air over the relatively warmer water. So you're really creating some instability up there in upstate New York. So again, any storm reports here are fine. A lot of flooding reports down to the south there. And rain totals, it's been variable, of course. So we pick up a quarter to a half inch, maybe even a little bit more with those heavier rain bands moving into southern Connecticut. But look at New York getting over 2-3 inches. Now, tornado term, just to educate everybody. A watch, be prepared. A warning is imminent. And tornado safety, we always tell you to seek shelter. And you want to do that in the middle rooms. You want to stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. And the best place, really, is in your basement. And even with severe thunderstorms, you want to be careful because sometimes we get more damage with straight line winds. So again, tornado safety, just a review, to get to the lowest level of the building or home and stay away from windows and doors and use pillows and blankets and helmets. But right now, I'm not expecting a strong, severe outbreak. There's just that potential there, even though we're not into the watch. So there's different EF intensities with that. Now, with severe thunderstorm, we have a wind of at least 58 miles per hour and or hail and at least an inch in diameter. All thunderstorms do contain lightning. You know, that in itself is bad enough, whether it's severe or not. And the same thing in what it means. You be prepared for the severe thunderstorm watches and always stay weather aware because sometimes, even though we don't have watches or warnings, you want to take cover because all of a sudden in the summer you get showers and storms developing and they can really intensify quickly. Now, the one thing that is kind of saving us from a real bad severe outbreak is the fact that we have temperatures that have been held down due to the clouds, the haziness of the skies due to smoke. And dew points, well, they could be worse. They're in the mid to upper 60s. But the front up to the north and west, we still have dew points that are quite high. You could see Buffalo 74 and 67 Albany. So right there is the front. So what happens when that front starts to move in is the dew points kind of move up and pull right ahead of it because you have a strong south to southwest wind right ahead of the cold front. And then the cold front comes in and undercuts the warm air, and you really do create a very unstable atmosphere when that happens. So winds right now, and that's again the main issue with these storms. It's wind turbulence. Let's see, wind gusts now up to 25 miles per hour right up the Connecticut River Valley. So the other thing too that may kill thunderstorms just a little bit is a sea breeze. Again, that sea breeze will stabilize the atmosphere. Let's take out the visibility. Really what's causing the visibility down, even though the rain is tapered off, is the smoke, the haziness of the skies. So we still have the wildfire smoke. We still have an air quality alert. But as we move forward, we've got to be careful here to see how much sunshine comes out. But because of the haziness, it may hold temperatures down a bit. Here it is at 7 o'clock. We're kind of quiet right now. There's the line coming in 8, 9. What I've noticed since yesterday is the trend has been for this front to slow down a little bit. Here it is at 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, and really you got the strongest line up here in Massachusetts. So this is the best chance, western areas, to get some strong to severe storms, even at 10 o'clock at night. Now, as it moves through midnight, remember, you're running into, first of all, it's nighttime, so you're losing a little bit heating. And secondly, that southerly wind is sort of killing these storms around midnight. Okay, that's the way it looks now. And then, the good news is at least we are going to have a beautiful Sunday. So, yeah, everybody can go back outdoors and enjoy the weekend. Check out your planner tomorrow. We dry out in the morning, of course, from all the moisture. Dew points drop, and look at that, bright sun, blue skies, high temperatures averaging 75 to 80. And as always, the Connecticut River Valley, the warmest at 80, but the northwest and northeast hills stay in the 70s. What a beautiful day, your FOX61 7-day forecast. We're going to rinse and repeat by Tuesday and Wednesday. Nice on Monday. Tuesday and Wednesday, we're going to have temperatures in the 80s. Chance for showers and storm. Warm front, cold front. This may be a little different because we're slowing things down where it may take 2 days as opposed to 1 day. But this changes. And look at this. Mostly sunny on Thursday, Friday 83. And next Saturday, let's hope that we can have a Saturday that's dry and pleasant. Everyone, be safe this evening. Stay weather aware, and we'll have more updates coming up this evening into tonight.